In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for assignments, 2026 full guide. First, set the foundation by loading your course materials and rubrics so everything the AI does aligns with your professor's expectations. Click the plus icon next to the prompt bar, choose Add Photos and Files, and upload up to 20 documents per message. Think lecture slides, textbook PDFs, your syllabus, and the grading rubric. Then pair those files with a clear alignment prompt. Ask the model to act as an expert academic tutor and grading supervisor, analyze the attached prompt, rubric, and slides, and outline exactly what's required for a perfect score without writing the paper yet. This keeps the guidance anchored to your sources and reduces off-topic suggestions. Next, switch into study and learn mode to prepare your thinking before you draft. Type Activate Study Mode or select it in your tools. Here, the AI will use a Socratic approach, asking you targeted questions that build your understanding step by step. You can paste early ideas or a thesis and request a mock grade and diagnostic critique based on your uploaded syllabus criteria, which helps you spot gaps long before you start writing. When you're ready to draft, open Canvas mode for clean section by section composition. Type /Canvas followed by your goal, such as opening an assignment canvas and drafting a high density introduction with a clear thesis that follows the rubric. Your screen splits, research chat on the left, an editable document on the right, keeping your notes, citations, and writing aligned and visible. Refine your draft directly in the canvas. Highlight any passage that sounds too casual and use the Ask ChatGPT bubble to request a formal analytical rewrite that emphasizes evidence and cuts filler. For quantitative or technical work, open interactive blocks to preview code, tune variables, and visualize math in real time. Use the bottom right utility sliders to tighten or expand sections to meet word counts and raise or lower the reading level up to a graduate standard, so your tone matches the assignment. Always audit your citations. Click sources beneath any response with data or claims to open the right side panel listing publishers, authors, and live links. Cross-check credibility, replace weak references, and ensure every claim is traceable. When your work is polished, export from the Canvas header as a Word document, Markdown, or PDF. For quick targeting, try specialized prompts. Use deep research to map consensus and debate in recent literature. Open a Canvas for long-form essays at the required reading level, or generate and live review code for data labs. That's the workflow. Combine structured uploads, Socratic prep, organized drafting, precise editing, and rigorous source checks, and you'll turn ChatGPT into a reliable, transparent academic partner. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.